we'll walk you through how to download Clash Royale on PC. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing and liking the video. To begin, open a web browser and search for Google Play Store PC. Click on the top result, which will take you to Google Play. There, hit Download Beta and wait for it to finish. Once it's downloaded, open your File Explorer. Go to Downloads and locate the installer file. Double-click to run it. Choose where you'd like it installed and press Install. After the download completes, it will automatically install and open. Next, click Sign in with Google and log into your Google account. Once you're signed in, you can close the initial window and return to the app now. Choose a username and click Create Profile. You'll need to agree to the terms and privacy policy to proceed. On the left-hand side, click Explore, and you should see Clash Royale listed. If not, use the search bar to find it manually. Click on the game, then hit Install. Once the installation is complete, press Play. You'll also find the game saved in your library on the left side, and that's eTour, now ready to start playing Clash Royale on your PC.